Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to fix Instagram could not refresh feed. So let's begin our video. So at first, if you cannot refresh your feed on Instagram, then what should you do? You just need to check your Wi-Fi or mobile data. You need to check at first. Okay, after check your mobile data and Wi-Fi, if it's working, then it's okay. Then move to next option. So for that you just need to open your Play Store. After open your Play Store, go to search bar and type for Instagram. Just type for Instagram, open it, then again open. Then you need to check out your Instagram is updated or not. So guys, there you can see my Instagram application is not updated, and there have a option for update. You need to update your Instagram at first. Just update it. After update your Instagram, then what should you do? You just need to go your phone settings. So there you can see this is my phone settings. I just open it, and after open your phone settings you need to find out apps or apps management option. So after I scroll down, I can find a option apps. So just open this apps, and after that you can find manage apps. Open it. Then you need to find out Instagram from here. So after that I searching for Instagram. If you don't find here, just go to search bar and type Instagram. I go to search bar, then type Instagram, then I find it. Just open this Instagram, and on the bottom you can see option clear data. Just select it. After select it, you can get option clear cache. Then okay, that's it. Now you can open your Instagram, and after open your Instagram, then you can see your Instagram could not refresh feed problem already solved. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.